Hogendoorn, and I'm the co-founder of FreePoint Technologies. FreePoint Technologies was founded with the idea that manufacturing is critical to North America, and also founded with the idea that most manufacturing companies are led or owned by individuals that understand manufacturing does more than produce products. Manufacturing also produces jobs. Manufacturing produces wealth. Manufacturing actually underpins the society that we live in here in North America. FreePoint was founded with the belief that any machine could be connected to a data collection system, and also that every worker on the plant floor needed to be connected as well. Whereas it's important to connect machines to a data collection system, it's important to connect employees with meaning and purpose and to get them engaged in the process as well. What we learned very early on in FreePoint was that an engaged employee was a more productive employee and a happier employee, and that engagement, productivity, and happiness suited both the purposes of the employee and the purposes of the company, as well as serving the purposes and needs of the local community. In the next series of videos, you will see some astounding results. You will see stories and case studies of people that have achieved 10, 15, 30, even 50% improvements in productivity by putting data into action right away, by doing more than connecting your machines, but by also connecting with your people, putting everybody on the same page in real time. Watch the next few videos, and I'm certain that you'll pick up a few tips along the way.